Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to multitask like a pro, even with just one monitor. Yep, you don't need a dual screen setup to work smarter on Windows. Let's get to it. Let's say you're working on a report and want to reference your notes side by side. Just simply grab the window and drag it to the left or right edge of your screen and release. Now, Windows will automatically show you other open apps on the opposite side. Just click the one you want and you've now got two apps sharing your screen, no resizing hassle required. Alternatively, you may press the Windows keyboard button plus left arrow or right arrow to snap windows instantly using your keyboard. And if you're on Windows 11, hover over the maximize button as you see here for even more layout options like 3 or 4-way splits. And that's it. A clean, organized workplace on just one screen. Try it out next time you're multitasking. If this helped, drop a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to follow for more Tech Tip Tuesday.